Hello everyone, this is Hassan with HandyBros and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to attach anything like a 2x4 wood or an electrical box to either a concrete surface like a concrete slab or onto a masonry block, something like this, like a cinder block. We have done a couple of videos on attaching a wood or something to concrete and masonry, but today we're gonna be using the drive pins using the Ramset powder actuated tool or the powder actuated loads and the drive pins and the loads to drive these pins into the concrete surface. We have done a couple of other videos such as using the wedge anchors or Tapcon concrete screws, so make sure to check out those videos as well if you want to look into the other options. But today specifically we'll be focusing on installing or attaching a wood to the concrete surface using the powder actuated tools. Before you start, make sure you have your safety gear on, such as your eye protection glasses, your safety boots, and your gloves, and most importantly the earplugs, because this is going to be a little loud over here. Make sure you follow the manufacturer recommendation on high-end instructions on how to use their tools, such as the drive tool, the powder actuated tools, the pins, and the loads. So the tools comes in different arrangements. This is the most basic and the simple one, where you put the loads here, you attach the pin to the end, and then you just simply use the hammer and pat it on the top to drive the nails in. Some of the other tools that are available, other models where you can have like semi-actuated one or having a trigger, but this is the basic setup, and I think in a very cost-effective way you should be able to attach something to the concrete using the drive pin. The drive pin comes in various sizes, such as these are the longer one, 3-inch one, or something like this, which is a 2-inch one. They have a washer attached to it. The drive pin also comes in without the washer, so depending on what you are trying to attach to your surface, you can use the pins accordingly. So today I will be showing you how to attach a 2x4 to a concrete slab. For instance, you are doing a framing or attaching something in your basement or a garage, or if you want to attach like an electrical box to your masonry blocks, so we'll be using these drive pins. When it comes to loads, they also comes in various power or the strengths depending on the color. You can see this is the yellow color number 4, this is the green number 3, and I think it comes good. The next one is number 5, which is red, and the number 6 is purple. There's a whole chart, so higher the number, the more strength to these loads are. So if you are driving a longer pin to a harder concrete, you want to use maybe a yellow or a red one. If you are installing something to a softer material such as like cinder block, you're probably gonna go with number 3, the green one, or number 2 or so. In our scenario, we'll be, as I said, we'll be using a larger pin, which is like a 3-inch one with the washer attached to it. So you just put your pin here, and then you will put your load onto the space here, and then you're just gonna put where you want to drive the nail. As you can see, our pin did not go all the way through because we were using the yellow load, so probably I need to use the red one so that this goes all the way in. Or another trick is that you just put another load in here, maybe a smaller one or the same strength. Like for instance, I'm gonna put a green one, a slightly lesser strength load in here, and I'll try to just bang this again. Let me show you with a slightly smaller pin, So our 2x4, this pin is like a 2.5 inch. 2x4 is not going to hold 2x4, so I'll just rather use the larger ones, So as you can see, it was fairly quick to install something onto the concrete surface. If you have a larger project, like say you are doing a framing of a basement, you could use wedge anchors, you could use concrete screws, but driving these pins would be a lot faster and quicker. You just go bang, 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 and you can just quickly accomplish the task that you are trying to achieve here. Thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure you look into the description for the other related videos as well as the material that I have used today. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so for more upcoming exciting content. Keep watching HandyBros and see you next time. Thank you so much.